Yo, 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 what's up with everybody? You know, it's Joking Jesse here. My bad, I haven't been uploading videos recently. I've been getting my life together, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm just over here at Rich Robbie's house. I got a car, iPhone 6S, an Xbox One, got all that shit. I'm fixing to show you real quick. So this is the car. I just got some new rims on it, 1900. I got the Hemi. You know, window tint, sunroof. Was not joking about that Xbox One. Got the new Xbox One Halo 5 edition. And I got Battlefront. I'll be making videos soon. Everything electric. Everything pretty fast because it got the Hemi in it. Sunroof. Everything's luxurious in here. We got this nice vehicle, and then we got Robbie's truck. That's terrible. Then he got his brother's vehicle. That's pretty nice, actually. Not faster than mine.